What's up everybody, it's Tucson over Riverside Hyundai. Today we're taking a look at the heads-up display on the new 2025 Sonata. To get to your heads-up display, swipe left, select Setup, select Cluster Head-Up Display. On the left menu, select Head-Up Display. You have the ability to enable or disable the display, make adjustments to how it's positioned, tilt angle left or right, height up or down, and even adjust the brightness of the display as well just below. This also gives you the ability to automatically save the settings into your heads-up display based off of the user setting that's in the vehicle. You also can choose what content that you want the heads-up to display as well, so you can include your turn-by-turn for your navigation, media information such as audio, track, listing or radio stations, call information for the current call that you're on for phone calls, and also any driver assistance features such as your blind spot systems, adaptive cruise, and other features like that. You can also display your turn-by-turn on your heads-up display by simply searching up a destination in your navigation system, selecting Start Guidance.
The route guidance will start now. Turn right and then turn left.
Now you can view your turn-by-turn navigation on your heads-up display. Thank you everybody for watching. If you have a comment, drop it below.